everyone, I'm here to share with you today a quick and easy recipe to make Brussels sprouts. Now I know some of you might not like Brussels sprouts. I didn't even know if I liked them or not until I was an adult and became a vegetarian. And then, I don't know, I just went to the store and I thought they were cute and I was like, well, I like cabbage, so why don't I try this? And wouldn't you know, I ended up loving them, and so did Matt. So this is Matt's favorite way to make them. It's super easy. It's not really a recipe because you kind of just throw some toasted sesame oil, a little bit of soy sauce or tamari, and some garlic and water in a pan, and you cut the Brussels sprouts in half. You wash them real good and throw them in the pan until they get kind of brown and soft, and they're so good. And we love to serve them over mashed potatoes. That's like our favorite meal in the winter. So anyway, check it out. Modern version of this vegetable was named after Brussels, the capital of Belgium, Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are actually part of the brassica family, so they are a cruciferous vegetable like cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, kale, collard greens, all of those good things. Brussels sprouts are high in fiber, and they're also high in vitamin C and vitamin K, which is really good for your blood and bones. Studies have shown that some of the nutrients in Brussels sprouts actually can help reduce cancer and help stabilize blood sugar.